Today we'll be talking about how to make money as an artist, specifically with passive income strategies. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi, I'm Diana, the artist behind My McDoodles. Welcome to my channel. Making art for the sake of art certainly is rewarding in its own right, but sometimes it's nice to make money in the background so you can continue doing what you love. So let's talk about 10 ways to make passive income as an artist. Number 1. Digital art prints. If you're a digital artist, this is a really easy way to share your work with lots of people. Even if you work with traditional materials like watercolor or paint, you can scan in your artwork to have it in a digital format that's easily shared with others. There are a lot of platforms where you can share digital prints. You could go with Etsy, your own website, Gumroad. I would just advise you to make sure it's clear that this is a digital download and they won't be receiving a physical print. You can also use print-on-demand services where you upload your artwork and they create the print for you, but more on that later. If you create mockups, they're really simple to do in Canva. I have a video on how to create mockups for free. If you're interested in checking it out, I will put it up in the cards and in the description of this video. You should also offer multiple sizes, which is really simple to do in Photoshop or Canva. Number 2, digital brushes or tools. If you're already making brushes for your own illustrations in Photoshop, Procreate, or Fresco, it might make sense to sell them. There's a pretty big market for digital brushes. If you go on Etsy and type in Procreate brushes, for example, you'll see there's so many out there. When you make your own to sell, be sure you test them yourself and use them in your own illustrations for a few weeks, if not a few months. That way you'll make sure they work the way you think they're going to work. There's also a lot of tools for digital illustration on Creative Market. So they have brushes, textures, all kinds of stuff. You could take a look through there and see what's out there. There are digital tools for all kinds of different programs as well. If you don't make your own brushes, you can still become an affiliate and earn a commission on the brushes you recommend. Gumroad also has an affiliate program, which I plan to roll out for my own brushes soon. So if you're a fan of my brushes, check the description of this video for how you can earn a commission using the My McDoodles brushes. Number 3, eBooks and guides. If you have a specialty like hand lettering or watercolor or any particular field that you're really interested in and can provide a lot of advice, you could create an ebook or a guide to share with others and offer as a digital download. These are really easy to create in a PDF format. You could do it in Photoshop or even in Canva for free and offer it as an ebook or a guide that people can purchase from you to learn how to do like hand lettering or modern calligraphy or that kind of thing. So think about what areas you excel in or that you really enjoy, and if you have tips and techniques that you could offer to teach other people how to do this particular skill as well. Number 4, pre-recorded tutorials. If you have skills that you would like to share and teach others, then you could create these pre-recorded workshops and classes to offer as either paid or free workshops and tutorials. So I think the key here is that it's pre-recorded material. It's not live workshops where you have to be on at a certain time and where it's something you have to plan your day and your week around and that kind of thing. If it's pre-recorded material, then it's easy to upload it and post it for people to consume whenever they're able to watch it as well. It works into everybody's busy schedules and busy lifestyle pretty easily and pretty well, and it doesn't require you to go live and be on at a certain time. It sort of becomes passive income. It's not exactly passive because you can't just like post your class and then walk away. You need to be able to check in and answer questions and check in with your students or the people who took your workshop to offer advice and answer any questions and give them feedback. So it wouldn't be very nice to just post it and disappear. So it's not truly passive, but it's passive enough to include in this list of 10. Number 5, Skillshare or another teaching platform. Skillshare kind of goes hand in hand with what I was just mentioning. If you're not familiar with Skillshare, it's a platform with like thousands of courses on there. Everything from like art to self-care to like cooking. You can find all kinds of stuff on there. So what makes it really nice when you're watching a course on there is that it's broken into these segments. So it's easy to watch like one or two segments and take a break if you need to. It just makes it really convenient for you because you don't have to be live and you can post pre-recorded material again, and for the users because they can watch this in segments or whatever fits into their schedule. I've also seen where teachers on there will post a Skillshare class and it'll be almost like an intro into like their more extensive workshop that they offer on their website. So you could do something like that. And again, it's just really nice to reach new potential clients or like people who would want to take your more extensive workshop. So it's something to explore. If you have never used Skillshare before, I'll put a link in the description of the video, and you can currently get, at the time of this filming, you can get a 30-day free trial, which is a special promotion from Skillshare. Skillshare is one of the top income streams for me as an artist each month. And I don't have that many classes on there. There are some people that have like a whole ton of classes, so I can't even imagine how much the top teachers earn on there. But it is a really nice way to earn some commission in the background as people watch your class. And of course you do have to check in and give feedback and like check out people's projects and things like that, just to be connected and to be nice. You don't want to just like post it and run. But it's pretty passive as far as like income is concerned. It takes a little upfront investment to record your class, but then you're able to post it and just let it go. Number 6, print on demand websites. You can upload your artwork to websites like Zazzle, Society6, or Redbubble, and they will print your artwork onto a variety of different products and ship it to the customer for you, and you earn a commission. There's also an option of using a website like Printful. They have a large variety of products, and the nice thing about Printful is that it can be integrated with Wix or your Etsy shop, and they will take care of all of the product fulfillment for you. They support a wide variety of platforms, so you could check their extensive list to see if yours is on there. What I like about Printful is that I can offer my artwork as either a digital download and have customers be able to instantly download it and print it wherever they choose. Or I can offer it as a physical like print or poster that will be printed and shipped to the customer. So if somebody doesn't really want to print it themselves, you can offer your artwork on a poster which is fulfilled by Printful. They also have mugs and like t-shirts, and they even have like stickers and things like that, but I like to print those myself. And you can have your artwork printed on all of these items, and you don't have to have like the special equipment you would need to have like a mug shop or something like that. You just upload your artwork and Printful takes care of the rest, and you're able to seamlessly integrate it with Etsy. So you could join a few of these websites and upload your artwork and then have lots of options for customers to buy like tons of different variety of products with your artwork on it. So I would join a few and see which one you really like the most and which one works the best for you, and maybe focus most of your time and attention on that particular one, but it doesn't hurt to be on several different platforms. That brings us to number 7, Spoonflower. If you're a surface pattern designer, then it would make sense to have an account on Spoonflower. They offer your patterns and prints on fabric, wallpaper, things like napkins and tablecloths, bedding, all kinds of stuffs. So this would make a lot of sense for you to open a shop to earn some commission on your pretty patterns that you're already creating. And another website that works well for patterns is Society6. You can have like your patterns on like shower curtains and bedding and that kind of thing. But I think Spoonflower is superior because you can have it printed on fabric. Number 8, affiliate accounts. An easy way to earn commission sharing things you already use and love is to have an affiliate account. So you can have an account through Amazon, but if you're not a big fan of Amazon, I understand. There are other places that you can have an account. So if you scroll to the bottom of most websites, you can see if they offer like an affiliate program. I know Creative Market offers one, which we talked about previously, and you can share like brushes and things like that that you love. But if you use like art supplies or craft materials, you should look at the bottom of the website of the places you typically shop and see if they offer an affiliate program. You can also join one of these umbrella companies where you sign up for like share a sale, and then you can become an affiliate for lots of different companies that fall underneath of the affiliate program for share a sale. Like if you go to the bottom of like Arteza art supplies or Blick art supplies, when you click on the affiliate, you'll see that they're part of this share a sale program. So you would join like this program here, and then on the side you can choose from whatever category. In our case it would be like arts and crafts, and then you can see like all these different companies that are part of it, and then you just apply to join their affiliate program directly from the share sale website, and it kind of keeps all of your affiliate stuff all in one place rather than having to like go all over the place to look for links and look for your commission and that kind of thing. It would be paid out from one umbrella company, which makes it a little easier. I'll put a link in the description of the video for share a sale if you wanted to take a look and check it out, see if it's something that would work for you. Number 9, self-publishing. You can use your artwork to create like these really pretty notebooks and journals or like low content books, and self-publish them on Kindle Direct Publishing or Barnes& and Noble Press. I have this one that I made with Amazon on KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's just like a gratitude journal, and I used my artwork to create like a pretty interior. So it's like a low content, but well, I don't know if this would be considered low content because this actually was a lot of work to set it up. But you can do just like a notebook with just like all lined paper in here, which I have a few of those. And it's just like a nice way to use your artwork to create a pretty notebook or something that somebody can buy on Amazon easily and give as like a gift or something. Here are some others available on Amazon that I did through KDP. They're fairly easy, especially like something like a coloring book. If you're already drawing, this is a really easy way to make like a fun little book that's pretty quick to put together. And then some notebooks, and I have like a running journal and or running log, and just things like that. And it's really easy once you have your interior. Like if you wanted to change out the cover for this notebook, it's fairly easy to do that. So you could create lots of different varieties on this one notebook, with the interior being as simple as you like. Mine has like a little bit of like the floral inked artwork like I showed you in the gratitude journal, but you could seriously just make it like bullet journal dots or just lined paper, and then just change out your covers to make lots of different options fairly quickly and pretty easily. So if you don't have a KDP account, you can create one, and you just use like your Amazon login information, but I'll put a link in the video for this as well. I do plan to create a tutorial on how, in detail, like how I put together a book from start to finish to publish on Kindle Direct Publishing. So that will be coming in the future. It is on my list of tutorial ideas and something I've been asked about a few times. So I do plan to make a tutorial to show you guys exactly what I do from start to finish to make something like that. And now we're on number 10, clip art. This literally takes a 5-second scroll to see there is a demand for it, and that people will use the clip art to make their own printables and things like that. So look at Etsy or Creative Market and get your stuff out there if it's not. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you some ideas of some things that you could pursue. If you have other ideas you would like to add to the list, feel free to put them in the comments below, or if there are some of these that you feel like, hey, I would like to try that, I'd love to hear what you're planning to pursue. You can find me on the web at dianamcdermott.com and on Instagram at mymcdoodles, and I would love to connect on there and keep in touch. So don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss the next tutorial. I will be sharing more artist tips on passive income and just fun art tutorials. See you next time!